All right, so I'm searching the New Orleans Business Center. Or this is Business District. But the port is somewhere in here. So that's why I've been looking here. This is per night prices. So it's going to be really tough getting them something. There's 125. So home sleeps 5. But see, it says 125 a night, but once you add all the fees and stuff, it's 569. That's not going to work. 95 a night. See, it's $482. Nope, that's the one that don't have two beds. Congo Square, Uptown Living. One sleeps 3 in 1 bedroom. That's cute. So it's not that easy to find that pricing. Okay, so here's 123. So I don't know if they want the business district. I have no idea. But let's look at that. First, go down and check the bedrooms. Standard double or twin room. No. One double bed, one double bed. One queen, one queen, one queen. 2 twin bunk beds. They're sold out anyway. So even though the pricing's good, nothing. So then let me zoom out here before I get too far away. I don't know what this area is like. Oh, here's our work on properties right here. Okay. 2 queen beds. 347. That's not too bad. So let's, and it's all nearby, all that stuff. That's good. We want to get pictures of the place, copy image. Just move it and it pops in there. Okay. And scroll. It's really the 2 beds, so we'll copy image, paste, throw it in there, but you can make it bigger. Okay. Okay. You have a pool. So copy image, paste. I'm just going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to paste my picture, and I'm just going to shove it in the frame. Okay, and then I'm going to come back here, and get the name, paste it there, make it larger, and here, standard room 2 queen bed. Oh, why is it not enlarging the entire thing? Okay. And then let me duplicate this page. Delete it. And this is like your total page, so text box. November 9th through 11th, 2024. 2 nights. It is double checking the price here. Taxes and fees, so $346.89. Do we have to pay the following charges at the property? $100 per accommodations. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that in here. It really doesn't have to be bold, though. It does need to be bigger. Okay. And the total is $346.89. And that says a deposit, so that means it's refundable. But this And then what I do, I come up here and I label it 1 because that's option 1. And then here I go through and sorry about that. But I just reduce it. Let me ungroup it. Actually, let's just delete that part. I'm going to just do option 1. And we're going to go down in size. There we go. And then, if I'm doing it on my phone, when I go to share, I'm going to public view link and create public view link. And it says it was copied to clipboard. And then I can send it in an email. But on my phone, I can just send it in a text. And that's it. When you're ready to do your second one, you come over here on File, hit Make a Copy. So now you can click up here, take out Copy Of, and then go to the end and make it New Orleans 2, and make that a 2. Take out the pictures, and look up your second options.